Hey, good morning, good morning. It's Chef Ro, with the lip smacking sauce. And we making breakfast burritos today. We're going to scramble these eggs up real quick, nice and easy. Flip it, you know what I mean? Next, we're going to put it in our soft burrito wrap. After rolling it up, back in the pan, get that nice golden brown color on it. Ooh wee, look at that, look at that. We almost ready. That thing flavor packing. Move it over to the middle a little bit. You know how we do. Look at that with a nice cup of tea. And we gotta spice it up with that Island Blaze hot sauce. Getting it from all angles. Yeah, we got that breakfast burrito with that Island Blaze hot sauce. Straight from Lip Smacking Sauces. You already know. Set it off with that flavor. I like it spicy. Yeah. We got that breakfast egg burrito with our Island Blaze hot sauce. It's lip smacking, flavor packing with a little bit of kick to it. So I'm about to enjoy this. Just right. Spicy. Get yours today. Now available at lipsmackingsauces.com.